Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi, jatend migawo mar tudruok Eliud Owalo timo limbe sikunde moko e counties ma Siaya kod Homa Bay kawuono. Owalo yango chenro mag masinde mag lony manyasani mong'ere kaka jitume digital labs. Jatend migawo no nokwongo yango chenro e sikund primary mang'eya girls e county ma Siaya kapok ne odhi Homa Bay kama bende ne ochwele chenro makamano. Kane oloso sikund sekondar ma Asumbi, Owalo jiwo piny owacho mondo chiwre mar chwero lony manyasani e gwenge duto ma pacho ka.
The digital laboratory is one of the programs that we have within the Kenya Kwanza administration as part of our digital superhighway. In what we call the digital superhighway, there are three main things we want to do. One, we want to ensure that we have got fiber connectivity in each and every part of this country. So, Madam Principal, if you don't have connectivity here, as we roll out the digital superhighway, we are going to connect fiber here, so that these girls can have access to reliable and stable internet. The other thing we are doing is setting up free Wi-Fi hotspots. So that people don't have to buy bundles. Okay? So we are also going to connect a free Wi-Fi hotspot, not just outside at the Ngea market here, but also within the school. The other thing we are doing is establishing and operationalizing these digital laboratories. We have just done one here. We are doing a total of 1,450 digital laboratories all over the country.